Guys, crazy things are happening in the crypto market at this very moment, and I need to take action with my trades right now. I'll explain everything to you guys. I will talk a little bit about why we are going down, but mainly I will talk about how I am going to deal with my positions that are down significantly right now. So we have been on an absolutely amazing streak of making gain after gain after gain. Will I be able to turn these ones around so I'm also able to make gains with these ones, or am I going for the first time in a very long time actually close these ones at a loss? Guys, today I will explain exactly what I'm gonna do. So make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you about the crypto markets. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it. Now, the market is looking pretty bad. I talked about this on the main channel, by the way, guys. I talked about the reason why we are going down and what I see happening moving forward in broader terms in the market. So make sure to jump over to the main channel if you haven't watched that video. But in this video, I am going to talk about exactly how I'm gonna deal with my trades that are now down significantly. I will also show you my trading strategies, of course, as they have also been trading here back and forth. And you know that I added a big position to my trading strategies a few days ago. So this is very important to take note of. So let us now talk about the individual trades first that I have. So the individual trades, I have 3 of them. So I have an XRP trade, it is down 13K. I have a SUI trade, which is down 32K, and I have a Pepe trade that is down 9.5K, but I already took profit with 3.5K. So it's down, what is that, like 6K or something. Okay, so how am I gonna deal with each of these ones individually? So first, for XRP, I will right now, actually, so I'm on the XRP chart here. You can see that my position size is 87K. So the XRP position is 87K. And you can also see that the loss, like I said, is 13K. Now, I am going to add a buy order right at this moment. It's gonna be slightly above this point. I will go in with the same amount that I have here. So in total, I will go in with the same amount. So I will go in with 45K, and then for like 2 times 45K. So the first one is gonna be at right above this point, $2.80, and then 2.39. So let me now add these orders right now. So $2 slightly above this point, 2.81. So 2.81, and this is on VX. I'm also going to post a couple of trades on Tapbit, so make sure to go to the description of this video and sign up to Tapbit. So 45K, and you can see the cost down here, so 45K. So I'm gonna open it once we go down to 2.81. So that's great. It is added. And then the next one is gonna be down here at 2.377. 2.377. And that's gonna be another, let's do 50K. So 50K, and we're gonna open that one. So now you can see that if we come down here to this green line, I'm gonna add a position. And if we go down to this point, then it will add another position. So that is fine for me, and that's gonna mean that my average price for XRP for this entire trade is gonna be somewhere around here, like 2.60 or something, and then I can just take profit on the way up here on the bounce. So we will see, guys. Let me know down in the comment section, do you think that this trade is going to play out and I will actually turn this around and make gains? Let me know down in the comment section. But as always, guys, nothing is financial advice. I'm just showing you what I am personally doing. So keep that in mind. Now, the next one that I have is Pepe. So Pepe is also down like 9.5K. So where am I going to add the buy orders for Pepe? I talked about this in yesterday's video, and now I'm actually going to add the orders now. So you can see for Pepe, let's see. Actually, we did go down and we already had a bounce here of the 1038 level. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna add a little bit here. I'm gonna add a little bit at the previous swing low. So the Pepe position I have in total is right now, let me see, it's 40K. So I'm gonna add 20K if we go down back to that point. So what was that, 1030? So for Pepe, here we are. So there we go. So is this Pepe? Yeah, it is Pepe. So there's just a I think they just took away a lot of the zeros. But anyway, so if we go back down, where was the previous swing low? So if we go back down here, this is on the hourly time frame to 10:32. So let me do this. Then I will add another, what was that, 20K. So the entire position is right now 40K because I already took profit on half of it. So I'm essentially just taking the gains that I had previously and adding it back in. So there we go. I will open that. If we go back down to this wick, so that's great. But then a big one, I'm going to add a big one here at 900, slightly above 900. So 900 and let's call it 3. So here I will add another 40K of Pepe. So there we go. So max buy price. So I guess I need to do this and then I need to do that. Something like that. Okay, 40K. There we go. Order has been placed. And you can see if we come back down here, I will add where it will automatically buy. And then if we go down lower, it will automatically buy again. So then we have the big one, and that is the one for SUI, guys. So it's down 31K right now. So this is an important one because this position is actually pretty huge. So for SUI, I want to add a little bit here at 3.20, but then a big one at 286. So 3.21 for SUI. Let me see here. Let's go to SUI. So there we have it. SUI 3.20. Let's call it 21. The position is 220K, guys. So that's pretty massive. I will add another 80K at that price point, 3.21. So I don't want this to like escalate and get incredibly big pretty fast because we can, make no mistake, we can have deeper pullbacks. Remember SUI just like a little bit more than a month ago was at $2.29. So I don't want to add too much. So right here at 3.21, I will add another, let me see what the position was, $2 or 220K. So let's say I add 60K here at this point. Okay, that's gonna average in a good way. And then the bigger position is gonna be here at 2.86, 2.86. And this one is gonna be another 120K. So there we go. That means that my average price, if we come down and we execute all of these orders, that means that my average price for SUI is going to be somewhere around here, like 3.20 or something like around those lines, a little bit higher, maybe 3.28. And then I can just play the bounce and try to get out and take profit on the way up. So that is how I am doing with these individual trades, guys. Let me know down in the comment section if you believe that I will be able to get out at a gain or if I will get absolutely wrecked here. As you know, I keep things transparent, but nothing is financial advice. I'm just showing you what I am personally doing. So if you want to also use my favorite trading platforms, you have them down here. You have Pionex, which is my favorite one, and then you have VX and Tapit. So make sure to sign up to all 3 of these ones if you're an experienced trader. And then for my trading strategies, I'm just going to leave them as they are. They are automatically buying the dip on the way down and they're automatically taking profit on the way up. So that is all great and I don't need to do anything here. I got in with a big size a few days ago. Yeah, right now they are just trading here and they're just doing their thing. So that is all great. But with that said, guys, like I said, make sure to go back to the main video that I posted earlier today, where I explain everything about the market. But for now, this is what I'm gonna do with the trades. Everything is locked in, everything is set up, and now I'm just waiting for the price to do whatever it's gonna do. And oh, what if we don't see a pullback anymore? What if we just go straight up from this point? Well, then my targets for these trades are still the same. So I will still take profit on those same targets I've been talking about previously. So guys, that is what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.